In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete drafts on TikTok in 2021. So when you launch the TikTok app, you'll be on your home screen. Then you just want to tap on your profile icon, which is located at the bottom right hand corner. That will take you to your profile and you'll see all your videos. If you have any drafts, then it's going to be the first little square there, and it will say drafts and how many drafts you have. Tap on where it says drafts. And now to delete a specific draft from the list, you can see it says select there at the top right hand corner. Tap on that. A circle will appear next to the little square on the left. Tap on the little circle. And now you'll notice that it says delete at the bottom with how many you have selected. So it's very straightforward. Tap on delete. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete this draft? Tap on delete. And now the draft is gone. In my case, it took away that draft square because I only had one draft. But if you had multiple drafts, you'll just have one less draft in that list. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.